Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access or remove the purge bulb on your string trimmer. I'll begin by removing the carburetor from the tool. I'll remove the air filter base. And now I can disconnect the fuel lines and the throttle cable. Before doing this repair, you'll need to drain the fuel from the fuel tank, which I've already done. With the carburetor removed, now I can remove the plate that secures the purge bulb to the carburetor body. If the outer parts of the carburetor are dirty, you're going to want to clean it before you remove the purge bulb so you don't get any of that dirt into the carburetor itself. To do that, you'd want to plug both the intake and the outlet with a rag and then use some carburetor or brake cleaner to clean it. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the plate. These screws also secure some of the other carburetor components, so I'll be careful when I take it apart that I only remove the plate and the purge bulb. And that's all it takes to access and remove the purge bulb in your string trimmer.